Quiz time part 1. Simple past tense challenge. Test your knowledge with 10 practice questions. Okay, I have 10 questions and then you have 15 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready? Let's go to the question number 1. Question number 1. I blah 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 a beautiful scenery in the mountain last week. A. See. B. Saw. C. Seen. D. Seeing. Stop. The answer is B. Saw. Saw is the past form of see. We use it here because the event happened last week, indicating past time. Question number 2. They blah 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 to Jakarta by bus 2 days ago. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Went. D. Gone. Let's check the answer. The answer is C. Went. Went is the irregular past tense of go. The phrase 2 days ago signals a past action. Question number 3. She blah 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 a delicious cake for my birthday yesterday. A. Bake. B. Baked. C. Bakes. D. Baking. Okay, stop. Let's check the answer. The answer is B. Baked. For regular verbs like bake, we add ed to form the past tense. The word yesterday signals that this action happened in the past. Question number 4. We blah 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 not watch the movie last night. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. D. Were. Okay, stop. Let's check the answer. The answer is D. In negative sentences, in simple past, use did plus not or didn't followed by the base verb. Question number 5. Blah blah blah, you finished your homework an hour ago. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. D. Were. Time is up. The answer is did. To ask questions about the past, start with auxiliary verb did. The question uses an hour ago as a time signal indicating past tense. Question number 6. My father blah 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 a new car last month. A. Buy. B. Buys. C. Bought. D. Buying. The answer is C. Bought. Bought is like irregular past tense of buy. Unlike regular verbs that added ed, regular verbs like by change form completely in the past tense. Question number 7. I blah 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 very happy to see you at the party last night. A, am, B, is, C, was, D, were. Stop. The answer is C, was. For the past tense of to be, use was with subjects I, he, she, and it. Question number 8. They blah 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 late for the meeting this morning. A, was, B, were, C, did, D, are. Stop. The answer is B, were. For the past tense of to be, use were with subjects you, we, and they. Question number 9. My brother blah 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 his arm when he fell off the bike. A, break, B, broke, C, breaks, D, broken. Stop. Let's check the answer. The answer is B, broke. Broke in the past is the past tense of break, describing a past event. The last question, number 10. Why blah 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 she cry after the class finished? A, do, B, does, C, did, D, is. Time is up. Let's check the answer. The answer is C, did. In WH questions about the past, use did as the auxiliary verb before the subject. Okay, simple past tense learning tips. The first, regular verbs, most verbs added ed to form the past tense. For example, play, played, walk, walked, talk, talked. And in the second, irregular verbs, these change forms uniquely. For example, eat, ate, go, went, see, saw. Memorize the common ones. Then the third, time signals. Look for words like yesterday, last week, ago, in 2020 to identify when past tense is needed. Okay, thank you and keep practicing. And see you in the next video.